Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and creating the review. Enter the title, choose the review type, and load protocol details to lock structure. Once done, invite collaborators and assign permissions so changes are tracked. This avoids conflicts later. Make sure to pick the correct template and import any existing data files now. That saves time when extracting studies. You'll see the workspace open with sections ready. Start with eligibility criteria and methods to guide screening. You proceed to import citations or upload a CSV. Then use Study Manager to screen and tag studies, marking included and excluded with reasons. Next, open the study record to extract data, fill structured forms, attach source PDFs, and enter numeric results with units and sample sizes to ensure meta-analysis readiness. Once extraction is complete, assess risk of bias per domain, write brief justifications, and link bias items to the corresponding outcomes so your analyses reflect study quality. You now set up analyses by selecting Comparison, Outcome, and Model. Choose fixed or random effects and specify time points. Once results generate, review forest plots, heterogeneity stats, and funnel plots, export figures and the Revman XML or PDF for sharing. Before finishing, save a final version, lock the protocol if required, and resolve any collaborator conflicts. If something fails, check Internet, clear cache, and confirm file formats. Re-importing the XML usually recovers corrupted analyses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.